Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect an Elgato capture card to OBS Studio for streaming step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Elgato capture card is properly connected to your gaming console or PC. Use a USB cable to connect the capture card to your computer. Connect an HDMI cable from your console to the input of the capture card. Next, connect another HDMI cable from the output of the capture card to your monitor or TV. Once your hardware is set up, open OBS Studio on your computer. In OBS Studio, locate the Sources box at the bottom of the screen. Click the plus button in the Sources box to add a new source. Select Video Capture Device from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear prompting you to create or select a source. Choose Create New and name the source as desired. Click OK to proceed to the next settings window. In the Device drop-down menu, select your Elgato capture card. You should now see a preview of the video feed from your console. Adjust the resolution and frame rate settings if necessary. Make sure the Use Any Custom Audio Device option is unchecked if you want to use the capture card's audio. Click OK to finalize the settings and add the source to your scene. Position and resize the video capture source in your OBS canvas as needed. Finally, click Start Streaming in OBS Studio to begin your live stream. Check your stream to ensure everything is working correctly, including audio and video quality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.